are back with another clothing haul.
Not a prep, not a reaction video.
Not a reaction, because I sure was going there. We are back with another clothing haul review. Javon is going to be rating my clothing haul. So the clothes that I have for you guys is from Blushmark. I actually found this this clothing boutique through TikTok because I was looking for other clothing boutiques other than Fashion Nova, guys, because like 99% of my closet is Fashion Nova, and I want to go shop somewhere else, like affordable prices, nothing that's $100 and up, because I'm not paying $100 for a shirt. I'm not doing it. If I'm just gonna be wearing it a couple of times outside, I'm not doing it. So Blushmark is really affordable. It kind of reminds me of Shein. It kind of reminds me of that app. The packaging as well, guys. This is the packaging here. Y'all can see it. It kind of reminds me of Shein. It's just different, like logo or whatever name here. But the packaging is like a little, kind of like a Ziploc bag for the clothes. I think that is really cool. So if you go on, like if you traveling or something and you want to pack a bunch of clothes, you can put them in these little Ziploc bags and just press air out and then compact it in your suitcase, and boom, you good, honey. I'm going to be reading off my phone as well. I'm going to try to insert like the picture of the item as well on the screen for you guys, so that way if you like a piece here, you'll get the exact name of it. So yeah, I got some dresses, I got some shirts, I got some two pieces, I bought one pair of tights, and I got some accessories, like purses or whatever. Just purses, that's it. I don't have nothing else. Well, purses and I think a pair of like leggings or something. So yeah, guys, this came really quick. I think about a week, if that. That's how long the shipping was.
You say it was supposed to come on the 15th or something?
It's supposed to come on the 15th.
And then the 7th.
And then it showed the 7th. But
it came on the 3rd. Yeah,
it came on the 3rd. So that was pretty awesome. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get right into this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification. I almost forgot something. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post any and every video on this platform. Alright, guys, so this is the first piece. Like I said, it was a baby blue dress. I got it in a size small. So babe, you can go ahead and open.
Ta-da! Okay.
Open your eyes, fool.
Okay. Oh, hold on.
Babe, don't speak about I'm not playing with you. I will kill you in this video.
Kill me?
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
Babe, can I wear this outside?
Hmm?
Can I wear this outside?
I wear it in that bedroom too. I like this color.
You like
I ain't gonna lie, I like the color.
Yeah.
It don't look tight to me. It look perfect.
Yeah.
It look, I like it. It's nice. It's nice.
And guys, it comes all the way, let me see. Shit, I don't wanna, it comes all the way to my
ankle?
Not my ankle, but like
my calf?
Yeah. I don't know if I can see. Let me see.
It comes all the way down to your calf, pretty much.
Okay, can y'all see that? It comes all the way right here, guys. So it's a pretty long dress.
I like it.
It's really cool. It's
so
good...
I'm not rating it like
yeah.
you. I just say if I like it or not.
No, you're gonna rate it.
I'm gonna rate it. So
yeah.
Dang, this is the first one. I give it an 8. Solid 8.
Oh, I'll take that.
I like it. I'll
take that. And guys, y'all don't really have to bet. Can you see my nipples through it?
Yes, I can. I'm sitting right in front of you.
No, I'm saying like, can you see the color of it, not the shape of it?
The color, no.
Yes. Okay.
No, I can't see the color.
That's what I'm saying. Not the shape. Of course, you gonna see the shape of the nipple.
Oh.
I'm saying like the color.
No, I can't see the color. I mean, I can see. Never mind.
So yeah, guys, it's really good quality. It's stretchy, not see through at all. So yeah, guys, if y'all like this, I will put this right here in this section here. So let's get to the next outfit. All right, guys, I'm back. I have another dress. The color is supposed to be khaki, but it kind of looked more of like a mocha color to me, but on camera it does look khaki. So on camera it looks khaki, but in person it looks kind of like a mocha color to me. So yeah, I got this dress also in a size small. Honestly, the reason I bought this dress because my best friend, she's having a baby shower, And this kind of goes with her color theme, and so I wanted to have something to kind of go with the theme. But yeah, it's off the shoulder. This is not a dress like you can put over the shoulder because it's still gonna slip down. So this is a dress off the shoulder. It's really good material. It's really thick. It got like this runch material, like this runch look to it, but at the bottom it's like some string here. It looked like you can like dry it up a little bit, but it's actually not. They just sewed the string on here so you could just tie it up or whatever. So this is as far as it's gonna get runched up, okay? So all right, babe, you can open your eyes now.
Okay, let's go. Oh shit. Oh, my bad. Okay.
Right. Yeah, I got some pretty white heels.
I put you on game, I see.
How you put me on game?
Huh?
How you put me on game?
Put you on game. Cause you asked if I like this, I said yes.
What that mean? You didn't pick it out. I picked that.
It was a this color. It was a burgundy color.
No, it was not. Oh, let me tell the price. I didn't tell the price of the last dress. Okay, guys. So the price of the blue dress was $12.99. See, affordable. The price of this dress is $17.99.
US.
And I got it. Yeah, US dollar. So I got it in the small. I got the last dress in the small as well. So. Yeah.
I like this.
What you think, baby?
I like this one.
You like it?
I like it too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What you gotta say?
Nothing.
Oh.
I give it about similar to the last one, an 8.
Same as last one?
8.
An
Yeah.
8.
I like it. I like the color.
I've always wanted to get like some clothes, like some brown, like mocha brown khaki nude type clothes. And I got me a brown dress. It was kind of like a mocha.
It's pretty good, no tie or anything?
Yeah, no, it's pretty good. It's stretchy, so I can twerk. I can twerk in it. I can.
I'm gonna twerk it back out.
Yeah, guys. The only part is like up here. I mean, it's kind of like.
What? You can't stretch that much?
Not. I mean, you can stretch it, but it's like it don't move up, so it stays like right here as far as right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the next piece. Okay. Open your eyes, babe. Open your eyes. What you think?
Oh, we started?
Yeah, we started it. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. It took me a little minute to get into this dress, okay? Because first of all, it has no stretch in it. This is as far as it goes.
Oh, it's tight?
It's tight, honey. And I got this one in a small. Like the other two dresses I got in a small. I got this one in a small. Yeah.
It's alright. It's not as fancy as the other, the first two.
Yeah, I don't think I really like it.
So you don't know the rate's not gonna drop.
Yeah, I already
The
know.
rate's not gonna drop.
It's gonna drop. What is it gonna drop to?
So like a 2, sign up.
I would say a 2.
I'll give you a solid 6.
A 6.
6.
Like if I feel like this part was a little bit like looser.
Right here.
Yeah, cause it's like tight. Like look at the sewing part of it. Like it look like any day if I sit down, bro, it's gone. It's out of there.
So that's a sign right there. If you females looking to buy that shirt and you guys are her size, buy a size up.
Yeah.
But
so, what?
if you buy a size up, right here is already loose.
This is, yeah, so it's gonna be even looser.
This might be more loose in the medium.
So
unless you got big boobs, then you.
Yeah, if you're okay up here, if you got a nice rack up here, then it'll be all right. But I wouldn't go with. The only way I would go with a small is if I was like 125, like 125 pounds or something like that. But what am I? I think I'm 130 pounds, 135 give or take, and I'm 5'4". So a small. No, if you're around that weight size, I would get a medium and probably take it up a little bit up here. Like that's the only thing I feel like would be the big difference, or it would be a deal breaker for the dress. Is this part right here? If you get a medium, I would keep this dress, but it's just this part down here. So yeah, man. Okay, guys, this is a yellow piece here that I got. Yeah, it's a 2-piece. So yeah, babe, go ahead and open your eyes. This give me very lemon vibes. Babe, open your eyes.
My eyes open.
No, you're not.
Alright, so based on this dress. Oh shoot. Okay. Okay, it's bright out here.
It kind of looks yellow, like yellow on the camera, but in person, it kind of like a gold yellow.
Lemon.
Yeah, it look like a gold yellow to me, if that makes sense. So,
it's nice.
Yeah.
I bought this one. It is nice.
It's nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
Yeah.
I like this. I give this a 9.
A 9?
Yeah, I like it.
You lying for real?
Yeah, I like it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit,
It
man.
fit good. I like the color.
Yeah, I do like the color.
Wait.
What? It's see-through?
I don't know. It looks see-through. I
Do
can't tell. Got it darker than that, so I can't tell.
Oh.
If it's see-through, you got to drop the rating though.
So yeah, guys, this is a yellow 2-piece that I bought. It costed $13.99 USD dollars. Costed $13.99, guys. This is a 2-piece. This is a size small. So the only thing that I would say about it is like the sleeve part. I mean, but on the model, it kind of like the material of the clothes on the model kind of look cloth. Like it's like a clothy texture or material, but in person it's kind of like a poly, like it's like a spandex stretchy kind of material in person when you get it. But on the model it looks like a cloth. It looks like it kind of like a sweater on the model. It's like a sweater material. All right, you can look.
All right, we're back. Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Why it looks so lean? It's like it's not done billiard. It looks like it's not done billiard.
Man, I don't know how to put this shit on.
Why this done this time this person?
I don't know. This is how it look on the picture. I'm gonna put the picture on the screen. It's this one.
No, this must look see-through. You can't tell me this look see-through in that song. You know this must look see-through.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see my nails.
This must look see-through.
I don't like this one, y'all.
Yeah, man, in the radiate, you gotta forget to put on and forget to build your
Guys, because I don't know what to do with this top part. Yeah, I'm looking in the mirror. I know. Yeah. I don't know if I got it on right.
In the picture, look alright.
Yeah. Cause man, I was literally over there like flipping it, turning it, twisting it, trying to figure out how to
this what's going on? Like what's going on?
What?
Huh?
What? I think it's supposed to go across like that.
Yeah, that's what the picture looks like. So I guess that's what it's supposed to be.
I like the color, but babe, do not pull this up because it's gonna show my nips.
I'm not pulling it up.
Okay, what you say?
No, I'm saying it's supposed to be like, I guess.
Shit, I don't know. I don't think I like this one, y'all. I don't like this one. Cause first of all, like I'm gonna feel self-conscious all day. Like I'm gonna feel like if I was to wear this out somewhere, I feel like my boobs gonna come out. Or if I turn the wrong way or do the wrong thing, my boob gonna come out. I just feel naked, y'all. Like.
So what you gonna do? This? You going to return it, or you gotta be under clothes?
No, I'm returning this shit.
I'm not. I mean,
what you think?
What I read this? You want me to get that yet?
Yeah.
It's missing half of the body. You're not done million. So you want me to get that yet? Man, get that side 5.
5? Oh, you gave it a better score than I did.
Alright.
Yeah, I gave it a 0.
A 0?
Yeah, I don't like this, y'all. Switch. Alright, guys, this is the next piece here. So, babe, open your eyes.
Open my eyes! Turn me up, turn me up. This better turn me up. The last one was an L. This better be a W. This better be a W. Turn me up. Let's go, let's go. Where's that buddy? What is?
It's just a shirt.
Am I a shirt this?
Huh?
Am I a shirt this?
This your shirt?
Look like am I a shirt this part there?
No. I just put these on. Okay, so.
Hard.
Huh?
I mean, feel nice.
Yeah. So, the concept of this outfit, this shirt, I was thinking this was gonna be like one of those baggy, like those dress type shirts where you can wear leggings underneath.
She buy for me. She just. I'm here by it for. That's me by it for.
You got it for me.
I'm here by it, you know, because I'm film says what.
So this shirt, I got this shirt in a size medium, y'all. So just imagine if this was in a small, it'll hug tight like a fitted shirt. The reason why I got this in a medium is because I wanted to wear like some tights, and I have some tights that I bought from them as well, like some leggings that I wanted to wear underneath. But guys, look. My whole assets is gonna be out. So I don't like it.
So you thought it was gonna be longer?
I thought it was gonna be longer. Okay, so look at the picture. It's this one. I mean, she has shorts on with the picture, but I'm thinking it's gonna be baggy. So this shirt costs $9.99 USD. US dollars. It costs $9.99.
Okay, go perfectly fine with the fit.
I mean, it's okay, but it's not how I thought it would be. That's the only thing about it. So it's a maybe. So babe, what you give it?
Oh, you're overrated? I ain't going to rate it to that. I like the color, the black, the words. I give it a 7.
A 7?
Yeah. Because it says stay humble, hustle, the words, you can't beat that, you know.
Okay.
And then the color, the black. You can't beat black either. I give it a 7. You can't. That's the words. The words give some boost up rate.
All right, open, babe.
Jesus, whoa. Are we ever go down, Scott?
No.
So guys, I have those tights on that I was telling you about. It kind of got like those little rhinestones on it, like black tights with some rhinestones. So, and then I paired it with one of the purses I got from the site.
Oh, 3-in-1.
Yes, 3-in-1. So this purse is kind of like it's not like good quality or whatever, but it's decent enough to wear like out or whatever. What you like the tights, babe?
Like feel that fight.
You like the feel that fight?
What should I say? Black in black. Back in black. What is it about?
No. It is cute. What's that?
So when you ready to split, and I need to close or something? So you can't really go for Rosa? You ready to go for Rosa? I'm gonna go strip club?
Maybe. So this shirt, it has a hole at the bottom of it. At first I thought it ripped, but I remember the picture, it had a hole in it. So this is how I wanted to wear the other shirt, because back here it's not rising up or anything. So if I was to rise it up, you'll see my booty.
Yeah, I'm gonna close on.
No.
Gosh, no, I'm gonna close on. Trouble.
Same. Of course, but I would probably wear some shorts or something.
So this is all you would wear if you wear it?
Probably, yeah. With some...
So when they go read these?
I don't know.
Okay.
Someday, Monday.
Okay, you can't, if people really don't know her, she'll buy it and she'll put it in. But when it comes to she read up her original rate, it'll catch dust. it will make it on for now.
I just be buying stuff to be buying stuff. So the tights cost $7.99 for the little leggings underneath. The shirt costs $13.99. You see how she have it on here? With like some chucks or something. That's how I can wear it. That's what I was thinking. And then the purse costs $5.99.
Yeah, money to spend money. You can't buy no some clothes though.
Sure, I can buy
That'd be a $13.99 and $12.99. Yeah, I say.
So this whole fit, it costs, let me see, 6, 14, that's what, $28 for the whole fit.
You spend a long job spending all that stuff.
Yeah.
And nice, you know.
Yeah.
Nice, I think I'm ready. That's rated all in one. I give it a 6.5.
6.5.
6.5.
Why the 0.5?
Huh?
Why the 0.5?
Because it's like I want to give it a 7, but I don't want to give it a 7. It's like I want to give it a 6, but I want to give it a 6.
Look, I hate you. You get on my nerves. Like I want to give it a 6, but I want to give it a 6. Like I want to give it a 7, but I want to give it a 7. Okay, next outfit. Alright guys, this is the next fit. So he's just rating the purse and then the shirt.
Okay, old fashioned?
Not old fashioned.
Okay. I feel this one.
What you think?
This one's fancy.
So the shirt is supposed to be a little longer and like cuffed right here and baggy, if that makes sense. And it's supposed to be tighter around here.
You can tie this up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But it's supposed to be longer, like it's supposed to be all the way down here at least. Tighten and then have that baggy effect to it.
Okay.
But I don't think
Does jeans come with it too?
no, these are my jeans. I just paired it with them.
Also bring this shirt.
The shirt and the purse.
So you don't wear the jeans?
No.
Oh,
Well, I mean, you could rate the whole outfit.
I mean, I like the whole fit.
The whole fit's good? Okay, well, yeah, go ahead.
So the whole fit, I ain't gonna lie, with the whole, oh, I thought it was, with the whole fit, like you realize there's a whole fit, to be honest with you, I'd give it a 8.
An 8?
8.5.
Really?
With a shirt by itself,
I'll probably have to like get it like tightened here, That's how the picture looks. It looks tightened right here, but like baggy from up here down. The way it look on here, like she got a man's shirt on. They just did some editing to the bottom part of it or something like that. But I mean, it's cool. It's just not what I thought. It's too, I don't know, it's too baggy looking to me.
The old fits are cool. Oh, this purse, I ain't even seen.
Yeah, the purse as well.
This is a 2-in-1?
Yeah. So the purse costed $4.99. The shirt cost $13.99.
You trying to be a little kid again?
Right there.
That's something like May over there.
It do. She might just take it. Yeah, it's like 2 purses in one, kind of like that. Cause they got the chain inside of here, so you can wear it 2 in 1.
Oh, you can reach your chain over your neck type shit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright guys, so this is kind of like the last fit that I have. This is the last of the clothes. So, yeah, babe, go ahead and open it.
The last one better be fire.
We're gonna see.
It better be fire.
We're gonna see, honey.
Okay! Okay! I'm vibe with it!
You vibe with it? Yeah. Yeah.
Damn! What?
Ooh, that hurt it.
What? Look at he right there. What?
You gonna make break this purse.
Okay.
Y'all gonna make break this purse.
Okay.
You better return it.
I like it. I like this is tights. I like the tights.
Huh?
I like the tights.
You like the tights?
I'm not hating for real. I like it. Wiggle.
You look good.
What happened to the purse? I like it.
You like it?
You know, I like it for real.
Yeah.
No, I like it for real. I like it for real. Like no cap, I like it. I like the tights. Is got a whole bunch of colors, you know. Fancy.
Y'all ain't never owned a pair of tights like this.
The bag look like it's $500, but it's really not. But it's fancy.
They got a little chain on
Don't
it.
they ever like what this supposed to be like? This baggy.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep going. I don't know. I like it though. I
like it.
I'm gonna get the benefit of that. 9.5.
Now, don't give it the benefit of the doubt. Give me your honest opinion. What you think of it?
What?
What you think of it, honestly?
I don't like this part right here.
Why?
I don't know. It doesn't like this baggy. You know.
I don't like it.
But I like the tats for real. The tats look good. The tats look good. You know. It's not baggy. You know. It look good. The shirt look alright. You know. It's perfectly fine. I like this little. What's this?
It's like a gold.
I like that. I mean, I like it overall. The only thing I like is this.
Yeah, guys, this is my last fit. Everything in this haul is super affordable. You can get a whole outfit for $30. That's a steal. Some of the pieces, like I like the dresses and that one yellow outfit, that 2-piece. I like that one, but like it seemed like after that, like the rest of it was just like
Yeah.
I ain't really feeling it like that. So I mean,
The
this
last,
outfit.
what, 4 or 5.
It was that
outfit.
yellow, the other yellow 2-piece. That black shirt was like, I was hoping it would look good because I have like some pretty heels I can wear with it.
I mean, you still can wear. It's still wearable.
It's still wearable. I just have to like alter it or something because it just looks too baggy, like it's swallowing me up or something. So yeah, guys, this was my Blushmark clothing haul. Boyfriend rates my Blushmark clothing haul review, whatever. So if you all like these type of videos from us and you want to see more, next time it could be Javon. He can, you know, find some clothes and try some clothes and I'll rate his clothes.
We never did that before. So.
Yeah. What, me rate yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we always did me because I'm the one that shop the most.
I mean, that's typical female.
No, some guys shop more than females.
I know. Well, most guys shop. I mean, well, majority is females.
True. But yeah, guys, we're gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.